did you see any similarities between, you know, growing as a trader and growing on social medias?
Yeah, it's a good question. Like, it's all the same stuff. It's consistency,
Right.
you know? It's being consistent in your actions. Like, you want consistent results in your trading. You want consistent results in the gym. You want consistent results on your podcast. It's literally, you have to be consistent.
Do you think that smart money actually works?
I think smart money works, but I think it's very similar to what Kieran Duff said on the podcast, which is you have to be smart. It's in the name. Like, you can't just call yourself smart money just because you're using the concepts.
Yeah.
You have to be smart with how you use it, right? And smart money, essentially, I think if you go back, is just basically, I think Blackwatch said on the podcast, like, it's just premium and discount, essentially, right? If you really revert back to what smart money was indicating too.
Yeah.
You know, and since then, obviously, the narrative's changed and there's a lot more concepts, etc. So I think it works, but I think just like with any strategy, the majority of people, the people themselves, won't make it work. So the reason why there might be a narrative of smart money doesn't work is because the people trying to use it aren't being smart, aren't being disciplined, right? So therefore, technically speaking, just like with indicators, just like with support resistance, none of it works really if you just take the example of the masses.
Yeah.
So smart money doesn't work, right? Support resistance doesn't work. Trading doesn't work. Business doesn't work. No one can be successful, right? If you take the example of what the majority of people's results are. Does that make sense?